Number 1. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,950, factory 4x4 truck powered by its original 454 gasoline engine and paired with a manual transmission. The vehicle has approximately 200,000 miles and is finished in a black exterior with a gray interior. It was well optioned from the factory, featuring tilt steering, air conditioning, power windows, and power door locks, making it both capable and comfortable for daily use or work. The truck retains its original paint throughout, with expected fading on the hood and roof that reflects its age. Inside the bed, a carpet kit has been installed since new, helping preserve the bed in excellent, like new condition. Recent maintenance and updates include a new AC compressor, a new alternator, and a new battery, ensuring the truck is mechanically ready to be driven. Number 2. 1993 Ford F150, price $6,500, showing 165,000 miles and powered by a reliable 302 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a clean white exterior with a blue interior and is a two-wheel drive model. It is an original Arizona truck that has been well cared for and comes with a clean Arizona title in hand. The vehicle runs and drives strong, making it a dependable daily driver or classic pickup. The air conditioning was recently recharged and is fully functional, providing cold air. It is equipped with a Flowmaster exhaust that gives the truck a deep, aggressive sound, and the front end has been leveled, improving both the stance and overall appearance. With its solid drivetrain, working AC, and classic Ford styling, this F-150 is a great example of a well-maintained 1990s pickup. Number 3. 1982 Ford F-150, price $9,000, it has 117,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission, gasoline engine, a red exterior, and a black interior. The truck features a 4-inch lift kit with shocks and stainless braided brake lines, along with an upgraded aftermarket clutch and a rebuilt rear drive shaft. Front and rear pinion seals, outer tie rod ends, and a Borgeson steering shaft have also been replaced. The engine is upgraded with an Edelbrock AVS 2500 CFM carburetor, Edelbrock Performer intake, HEI ignition, and new plugs and wires, supported by refreshed cooling and heater hoses, thermostat, and a new exhaust with muffler. Additional updates include new lighting, grille, mirrors, door handles, weather stripping, door glass, windshield, a refinished interior, an aftermarket stereo system with sub-an amp, and a roll pan. Number 4. 1975 Ford F250, price $8,500. This truck is powered by a strong 460 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a solid and reliable driving experience. It features a classic green exterior with a matching green interior, maintaining a cohesive and period-correct appearance. The truck is equipped with an 8-foot bed, making it practical for hauling and utility use. It runs and drives great, with very low mileage for its age. A notable factory option is the passenger side step that automatically extends when the door is opened, adding both convenience and originality. Previously used as a farm truck in Snowflake, Arizona, this F250 has been well maintained and remains in excellent condition for a classic heavy-duty pickup. Number 5. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,900, finished in a deep burgundy exterior paired with a gray interior. It is powered by a strong 383 cubic inch stroker engine featuring a Phytec fuel injection system, stainless steel headers, and a true dual exhaust, delivering impressive performance. The truck rides on almost new mag wheels and tires and is backed by a reinforced TH350 transmission with a 3.04 rear end. Additional features include a roll-lock bed cover, a bed liner with cargo stops, a nicely done custom interior, and custom gauges. The paint is in excellent condition with no rust, a straight body, and good glass all around. It has been owned by the same owner for the past 30 years and looks great while running very strong. The drivetrain has approximately 10,000 miles, though the true total mileage is unknown. Number 6. 1996 Ford F250, price $4,000, with 238,000 miles, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. The truck features a gray exterior paired with a gray interior. It is a 2WD model with a solid overall condition, featuring a spray-in bed liner and a gooseneck hitch. The truck runs and drives very well and is described as clean, with a great body and interior, though it still needs some work. Since ownership, several upgrades and repairs have been completed, including replacement of both fuel pumps, installation of a new air compressor and collector, new window motors on both sides, and newer door panels. The truck has also received a full tune-up with new spark plugs and wires, a new oil pump, and aftermarket gauges for oil pressure, temperature, and battery voltage.
Number 7.
1999 Dodge Ram 2500, price $5,800, finished in black. It is equipped with a V10 engine and a fully functioning 4x4 system. The truck runs great and has recently received a complete tune-up and full service, including freshly serviced transmission and new differential fluid in both the front and rear. It rides on 35-inch all-terrain tires in good condition and is supported by Bilstein 5100 shocks on all four corners, along with rear airbags for improved load handling. The exhaust features a Banks exhaust tip with an aftermarket system, giving it a stronger sound. Inside, it includes an amp and subwoofer mounted under the seats. Additional upgrades include a custom headache rack with LED lighting and a custom toolbox. The AC and heater work properly, supported by a relatively new AC compressor. The truck is currently registered and ready to drive.
Number 8.
1996 Ford F350, price $6,500, with approximately 300,000 miles, equipped with a manual transmission, a black exterior, and a gray interior. Nearly everything except the engine has been replaced or upgraded, including a Garrett turbo, pedestal delete, up pipes, airbox, fuel pump, radiator, water pump, steering column, transmission, clutch, alternator, AC compressor, shocks, Hydra ECU tune, 6 new tires, headliner, and window tint. The truck also comes with a Rhino bed liner, gooseneck socket, and a heavy-duty rear bumper, with all receipts available. Cosmetic imperfections include worn paint, some trim damage on the rear fender caused by a tire blowout, and a tailgate that requires a new hinge.
Number 9.
1977 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500, finished in red, complemented by a matching red interior.
The truck shows 111,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission.
It has been used as a daily driver, so it has remained operational, but it will require restoration due to its age and condition. This C10 offers a solid foundation for someone looking to restore or build a classic square-body truck. The short bed fleet-side configuration adds to its appeal, making it a desirable platform for a classic truck project. The vehicle is being sold with a bill of sale and tag receipt.
Number 10.
1978 Chevrolet K20, price $5,000. It has an automatic transmission, an off-white exterior, and a brown interior, powered by a 400 V8 engine with factory air conditioning. The truck has a new carburetor and fuel pump, valve cover gaskets replaced within the last year, and the transmission was rebuilt prior to current ownership. It ran before being parked about 2 months ago. The fuel has been drained, and the carburetor likely needs cleaning. It will run with fuel or starter fluid fed directly into the carb but will not run on its own. There is rust in typical areas, and the driver's door has an older body filler repair. New door hinges, striker plates, and aluminum transmission pan parts are included.